Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green.
Hi guys, welcome back. Let me show you what I did. I put the pots on the stairs. What do you think? I like this. Nice addition. Sweet potatoes, doing well. The grass, it grew. I like that rapid grass stuff, man. Wait a minute. What in the world? Hey, what are you looking at me? I live here, not you. Did you see the look on his face? Like I don't live. I live here. Man, and look at him. Where are you going? Where are you going? You coming back anyway. Why are you running? Why? All right, what do we have going on? Mulch bed is still intact somewhat. Hydrangea caught an attitude. That's okay. Ginger wine, not that bad. Over here. Excuse me, I'm trying to shoot my video if you don't mind. I need a little privacy in my own backyard. I'm open 7 days a week from 7 to 10. You're starting to be a thorn in my you-know-what, just like a weed in the ground. Took me a while, but I finally get it. When there's high winds, rain, thunderstorm, just take your screens down. You can't beat Mother Nature. Let's check on the lilac. Yeah, this one didn't adjust well either. See some new growth, but next year it'll be better. Now we can check on this section unless that cat comes back to bother us. Red lark doesn't look good. I feared this would happen. I remember putting the hibiscus back here. Might not be enough sun over here. Yeah, same thing. Not enough sun is definitely a problem. Sweet potatoes seem to be doing their thing. You know what? I'll put them in bigger pots in the future. That way they'll reach their full potential. How about my small rose bush that used to be big? Well, it's trying. What about the one on the right? As usual, doesn't disappoint. Time to get my hands dirty, pull some weeds, clean up a bit. Might as well start over here. Got the dead stuff off the hydrangeas, ginger wines. Let's take a look at them. I'll take my fingers, go up and down like so. Nothing coming off, not too much. I think these are good to go. My other lilac didn't like the move, but it's gonna have to deal with it. Oh well, we'll see next year. The hydrangea, I'll clean it up. Hey, look at this ginger wine. Got some new stuff coming in. That's good. This hydrangea received some TLC. And don't be scared to do what I'm doing. Don't be scared. It won't hurt them. They need to be maintained, if you know what I mean. Over here, lilacs and lavenders. Let's get to it. Finally made my way over here. Wasn't much to do when it came to those lilacs and lavenders. Got the sun out. Weather's pretty good. It's good to be out here today. So what I'll do, well, I'm going to pull these weeds, but before I pull the weeds, I'll go back over there and pick up the mess I left behind. Some of you might clean up as you're trimming your plants and flowers. This works better for me, that's all. I'm so glad I didn't put those seeds close to the landscape edges. No wonder why these cats are back here. They left me a present, if you know what I mean. Before I pull the weeds up, I'm going to water some of the plants, okay? Very important that you water your plants and grass. Very important. Would use that weed be gone, but I don't want to take any chances. Looks so much better, so much better. Weeds are definitely an eyesore. Left side is taller because it's been growing a whole lot longer. All right, it's time to give it a cut. We have to give my Power Smart a nickname. What do you think? Leave your comments in the comment section. As a reminder, if you're going to keep your lawnmowers outside like I do, make sure you get a lawnmower cover. It's been 3 weeks since I seeded this section. I usually wait 3 weeks to cut. But in the case of rapid grass, you might get away with cutting it after 2 weeks. You might. When new grass grows, it tends to be wet and some of the blades might still be laying flat. So I always rake them up to cut again. Left side has been growing for a month and a half, something like that. I didn't want to cut it until the right side grew. Always good to listen to music when you're doing this stuff, but keep your head on a swivel. No political commentary. No political commentary. Like I said before, I'm glad I didn't seed too close to the landscape edges. What do you guys think? We came a long way. How about from a different angle? Nice. FYI, this is the second to last episode of the Backyard Playlist. Just one more episode to go. We're almost at the goal. Projector stand looks great over there. Looks great. Like what I see. This is what you want to see. This is exactly what you want to see. You know what, though? Got too much moisture in that area. Got to do something about it. Anyway, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns, too. Bye.